Hi everyone, this is Shamela. So I've had these lying on my desk for maybe a month or two, probably 2 months. And I just haven't had the time to actually do a live. Life has just been a little bit on the crazy side. So this is the junk journal for the Gardens of Time. And I thought I'll do a pre-recording and just load it onto my YouTube channel so you can have a look at it when you have time. I have not opened it. I saw the paper pack when I did my project for our NSD online event and I loved it. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to like this one too. So this is the junk journal from Stamperia. It's got background papers, stickers, cutouts, and there are 16 pages in here. Now it does say for card making, but I used it for cards and it's amazing. There's enough here to make several cards. I mean, like, you can really churn out a lot of cards. But this does make a beautiful addition to your albums. So let me open it up and we can see what's inside. The first page has got lots of grunginess. I love this. There was not a page like this in the main paperback, so I'm really liking that. There's something very similar to the main paper, but this one has got so much detail. It's really hard to describe. Very difficult to describe, but it is a stunning page. And as always, there's a back. I've got a fetish for clocks and clock mechanisms. Oh, I really like that. So I love anything with clocks and circles. So these really speak to me. I love that. Then, of course, we do have stickers. So these are all stickers and they are awesome. They peel out really well. And I love all the little accents here. And then a second sheet of stickers. This is gorgeous. And then we have, oh my goodness, we've got pipes, gears, clock mechanisms, and these are cutouts. Now, the beauty of these is that they are printed back to back. I will always say, sometimes I want something that is facing the wrong way. And this is why I love these, because if you want that to be facing the other way, you can just use the other side, which is amazing. I love that idea. And these pop out. So if you're struggling with your hands, you can't cut, fussy cut, these just pop out. They are amazing. Oh my goodness. I'm a butterfly fan. Butterflies and clocks. I love this one. This is really gorgeous. I'm looking at this big butterfly and I can see myself actually making a easel card with this. I do have a butterfly die, which will be really cool. So if you make a base with a butterfly die and you take this butterfly and you put it on your easel, fabulous. Love that. And I love the fact that it's got all this detail on here and you can use your lovely contour liners to emphasize those details. That's really, really nice. So a stunning collection of butterflies. Oh my goodness. I love this look. This is really nice. Look how beautifully it tones in with the butterfly. So if you had to use this as a background, this butterfly will just pop so much nicer because it's not fighting with the background. Love it. Same page, just in color. Oh my gosh, I love the muted one so much better. Love it. Tones of gray, gorgeous. Then we have another beautiful background paper. You know, the thing I love, and I will always say it, is all the intricate detail on the Stamperia papers. It's not just a background. There are so many things going on inside. There's splatters of a variety of colors. There's leaves overlaying. And a lot of times, like there's a beautiful green set of leaves here, and an image there, and a lot of times this helps me with color matching because and also if you look at these two pages next to each other, you can see that similar greens have been used and they are really nice. How cool is that on that? Beautiful. like that. It's a bit busy for me, so it would be like more of something that has to go into the background and muted. I really like this. This is another page of stickers. I love that torn paper look. These flowers are gorgeous. This string of clocks, stunning. I've got one of these in my paperback, and I'm hoping to use that to make a very nice card. I used this border that was in the paperback in my card folio, which is loaded on my YouTube channel. If you want to make one, you must check it out. Very nice. Oh my goodness, I really like that. Love it. There's the colored version. So this is a smaller size of the actual paper that you would find the same pages in the 12 by 12 pack. This is not in the 12 by 12 pack. It could be in the background paper, but I haven't opened the background paper, so I'm not sure. But I really love this. Oh my goodness. This speaks volumes to the card maker in me. Another stunning paper. I like the grays and the greens and the bit of rustiness that they've used here. It's really cute. And then we have more pop-outs. This, I think it's called an anemone. I think so. I'm not sure, but it's one of the most beautiful flowers. I'm always partial to chrysanthemums and daisies, but when I'm looking at this one, all I can see in my head is me cutting out or just cutting around there, and just raising it. So I'm leaving it attached to that and just raising it, so you're giving it some dimension. And then the inside has got lots of black spots and detail. And what can we do there? We can add the black contour liner to just give it some dimension. That will be so cool. This lady is gorgeous. I love all the detail on her dress and her boots. Maybe I have a I love boots, but I don't have any of those boots, so maybe that's why I love it so much. Of course, it's back to back. Oh goodness me, clocks for Africa, back to back. Look at the green in these clocks. Very nice, stunning, absolutely stunning. And then of course we've got, oh, these are blank little journal, what do you call it, journal cards. They are square 4x4. So if you are a 4x4 card maker, this is a blank slate with some additions for you to just have some fun. Let me tell you what I would do with this. So if I'm making a 4x4 card with this, I would probably cut into the petals to raise them a little bit. There are several things that you can do. This one, I'll cut out the whole thing there, cut out the whole thing there. And what do I use to cut out? Sorry. I use my Stamperia ceramic pen. This thing cuts amazingly. And it cuts with incredible detail. Same with the butterfly here. Now I wish I had this because I'm talking about the cards and I would love to make it myself. So we can cut around the butterfly, pop it up. Awesome. Now I've gone and get a frog in my throat. On the other side of this, we've got a blank or a pattern page. I prefer this side. Honestly, I do. And then we've got more journal cards. And when I saw these in the main paperback, and I saw this one in particular, I saw the newspaper print and I said to myself, I may even have said it on my video, I can see myself cutting into there, creating layers, etc. So there is so much that you can do with these papers. This is a very nice page. If you are going to cut it up, you get something different on each part of the page. The only thing that puts me off is this. I'm not so keen on those eyes, but I mean, we can overcome that by covering it up with something. But that, I think it looks a bit creepy to me. Sorry, Adonis. Anyway, the back page has got numerous words. Once in a lifetime, the moment is yours, wishing that should be wishing you the best day. Okay. Your time to shine, the beginning of something new. So some beautiful sentiments here that you can just cut out and use on your cards. So that is the junk journal from Gardens of Time. I think I love it. I love all the clocks in there. So let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you. Until next time. See you in cyberspace. Bye now.